strong. You just see the hunger, that desire, stays upright, the rolls above.
He's past Van Hecker, and it's off the underside of the beat after a torrid week.
No doubt about it now.
Antoine Semenyo, that's quite a dance. Haaland! It's in! Pulling it home!
Times.
Whoop! The big court, yes, it was around to pounce!
That moon is turning blue again.
Yes, here's Haaland. Here on.
Good advantage, Foden. Switch.